everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing the monthly cleans. So these are the things that I clean on a monthly basis, and hopefully this can get you guys motivated to tackle some of the appliances that you guys have, or it can just basically hopefully I'm hoping it can get you guys motivated to tackle yours if you haven't already. So we're going to start with the kettle. Live in a hard water area, this is something that's normal to see, so I tried to do descaling using the Kilrock descaler. If you're part of this channel, you already know I've used this quite a few times and it's amazing. It works really well, so I'm going to use this to this. I'll just read the instructions and follow the instructions. This is the lime scale that we're dealing with, and I'm just going to fill the kettle with water and then bring the bottle and then bring this to boil. So I do this on a monthly basis. It can be done a lot quicker or as often as you need to, but I try to do it every month, and I follow the instructions at the back. It just tells you exactly how much to pour into the boiling water inside your kettle, and you can already hear it fizzing up. So like I mentioned, make sure that you read the instructions and follow the process through. You will, the kettle will end up looking like this, which is something I'm very happy about. So it doesn't take a lot of work to remove the limescale buildup if you live in a hard water area. So now I'm just going to focus on the outside of the kettle. You can clean the outside of the kettle as many times as you can during the week. As as you see it building up, you can clean it. I just tried to, like I said, for the purpose of this video, it's a monthly cleaning video. All my appliances, I try to ensure that they're all given a deep, thorough clean at the start of the new month or at the end of the month, depending on how much time I have. But a monthly deep clean on the appliances I really highly recommend if you guys don't already do that. So this is what the kettle looks like now, and I'm very happy. So now onto the toaster. Warm soapy water. Spray inside the warm soapy water, and I'm just gonna shake off as many crumbs out of that toaster as much as I possibly can. Ideally, if you've got that little handheld hoover, that'll be amazing. I couldn't find where I'd put it, so I've just left the crumbs on there for a bit, and then I'm just gonna get the bin and just basically remove all the crumbs off the side and just basically put them all in the bin. So shake off your toaster to ensure that all of the crumbs are out of the toaster, and it doesn't make much of a mess. Let me know if you are enjoying this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and consider subscribing to the channel for more cleaning content. I shall be using the Cif cream cleaner. Okay. The pink stuff is my go-to product, but the Cif cream cleaner is working really well as well. So I do actually highly recommend it as well if you don't have access to the pink stuff or you don't have the pink stuff. But as you can see, it really removes all the buildup as well. Better than what it looked like when we first started. Not perfect, but much better. just give this a rinse, and then I'm going to put it back. Onto the washing machine. So I like to give this a deep clean as well at the end of the month or the start of the month. So start off by making sure you take off all the laundry. We're going to be using the solder crystals to give the washing machine drum and the pipes a deep clean. So you can pour in as much as you really want inside the drum, but it's just to ensure that you put the washing machine on a really hot cycle. But I will show you this as the video goes on. So I'm going to take out the drawers and give those a deep wash as well. And I also try to make sure that I give the outside of the washing machine, a clean, just in case there's any buildup, soap, any fibers from clothes, spillages, whatever happens, that also needs a clean. So I'm just using a disinfectant and a microfiber cloth to give that a wash. But like I mentioned, you can use any washing machine deep cleaners. Find them from any shops really. Yeah, they sell them. Or you can just use the crystal cleaner crystals, the cleaning crystals that I've just used in there as well. But you just read the instructions and it just tells you what to do next. So we find the hottest cycle and select that, and then basically let it begin. So this is taking the tray out and just washing any of the buildup from the laundry powders and stuff that they tend to build up quite a lot. And then we're going to focus on the tray now. So I can use any cleaning toothbrush or the pink stuff brush, whatever you have at your disposal. So that's it for today. Look forward for part 2 where I'll show you other appliances that I try to do on a monthly basis. There's actually quite a lot more. So look forward to a video coming up in the next couple of days. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. And until then, you guys have a lovely day. Bye.